There was this VTuber that made this video all about the Vaporean thing. And it was like both one of the funniest and upsetting things I watched.
Hey guys! Did you know that in terms of male human and female Pokemon breeding, Vaporeon is the most compatible Pokemon for humans?
Like, it was great, but I sat there thinking, wow, so much effort into this shit post. I wish I had that amount of energy. You ever live long enough to see a Reddit post gain sentience? That's that Vaporeon post. Ah! Actually, you know, maybe I can catch a Vaporeon. You know, can never have too many Vaporeon. No! Don't run away! Let me love you! Thank you. Yes, I am very thirsty right now. I appreciate the hydrate redeem.